2023 Kia K5. With less than 48,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!